I've been testing out a tool that basically combines NotebookLM, Notion, and an entire AI creation studio into one workspace.
This tool will make you feel productive, but it won't make you money.
Click on the top right here where it says blank board. I'm going to use this one to learn about pottery. So over here where the name is, I'll click on these three dots, click on edit, and change the name to pottery. Next, we need to add some material into this board because currently there's nothing in here. To do that, I'm going to use the UMind Chrome extension.
Before you create anything, you have to set up a board, install an extension, and organize your sources. That's a lot of work before you earn a single dollar. Most beginners do all this setup and never actually start.
This will allow you to quickly add any sources to your boards from any page using the extension. So for instance, I'm here on YouTube, and let's say I really like this video about pottery. I can open it up, click on the UMind Chrome extension. Up here, I can choose the board I want to add this to, which in this case is pottery.
And the next step makes it even easier to stay busy and go broke.
Review of this video, a synopsis of it, and a breakdown of the entire video. So you can kind of read through this and get an idea of what the video is about. Then you can click right here where it says save, and that has now been saved to my pottery board. If I want to open that pottery board, I can click right here. It will then open up and I can see that the video has been added to this board.
You're spending time finding videos, saving articles, and organizing research. But here's the truth. You don't need more information. You need your first paying client. More research just means more delay.
Here's the video right here. And it also automatically picks for you key moments from the video. You can see those highlighted here, and they've labeled them here as well. In addition to that, over here on the right, we can see the entire transcript. It can put together chapters for us as well, and we get a synopsis of the video as well.
And the next step pulls you even deeper in. Now they want you to start creating content.
Information inside of UMind. You actually create things with it. And you can do that right here in the creation space. Here, you can just describe exactly what you want created. We'll start by clicking on this plus icon and hover over Add from UMind. And here we see the board that we have, pottery, and all the material inside of it.
You'll make beautiful slides and blog posts, but with no audience, nobody sees them. Content takes months to pay off. If you need money now, this is the slowest path possible.
So if you want this material to be used when creating your product, make sure to select whatever material you want. So I'm going to select all of them. You can also add some third-party connectors like Notion or Linear, and there are some other ones. And you can even attach files as well. But for the purposes of this demo, we're just going to use the information and material that we pulled into this board.
And now they want you to automate all of this, which makes it even worse.
So they used to have something called shortcuts, and that has been completely revamped into what they are now calling skills. You can find them over here on the left by clicking on skills. And this isn't just a name change. Skills are a huge upgrade over what shortcuts used to be. You can now customize way more complex workflows.
Automations are great, but only after you have a working system. Building workflows before you have clients is like buying a factory before you have one order. You'll spend weeks on setup and earn nothing.
Choose different AI models for different tasks and build much more sophisticated automations than what was possible before. Let me just show you an example. So when you open up skills, you'll see all these pre-built ones that you can use.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
So down here, if you want help with writing, we have skills to help you with email marketing or article fact checking, for instance. If you want skills for image generation.
And the last step is the biggest trap of all.
You can find those on the top right by clicking on scheduled tasks and click on add task. Here we'll give this one a name, so I'll call this one research. What I want this to do is every day to look through my board called research. Because as I go through the day and I see interesting tweets or articles, I'm going to be adding them to this board.
You've set up boards, saved content, built automations, and now you're running overnight reports on topics you haven't monetized yet. This is a full-time content creator's system, not a beginner's side hustle. There's a much simpler way to get your first dollar online.
And then in the middle of the night, I want you mine to actually go through them and to rank them by potential topics for YouTube videos. That way, when I wake up in the morning, I have a report of potential topics that I can make videos about. So I set up a skill for that. I called it research, and I'll schedule this every day.
If you want a done-for-you system that skips all of this, comment ready, and I'll show you exactly what that looks like. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.